Hey guys, so today I just got me a new fan today. This is a Craftmade limited ceiling fan. I got this fan off of eBay as a YouTuber named Fan of Games 2006. If you know his channel, look him up and you'll see his channel. And yeah, this is a Craftmade limited. The screws are not original, like these set of screws, but it's possible that these ones are, but not these screws, and this and that canopy. Yeah, it's in pretty good shape, actually. It's a 4 or 5 blade adaptable motor if you want it 4 or 5 blades. Show you one of the blades. It's got light oak to dark oak blades, which it looks really nice. Here's one of the brackets. Here, I'll show you the date code. Here it is. Yeah, this fan is probably one of the prettiest ceiling fans I've ever had in my collection. But yeah, in Fan of Games, if you're watching this video, please like this video and comment on my video and say glad you got this, whatever. Sure, man. You can just do what you want to do, buddy. But yeah, I'm gonna get off this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. Goodbye.